Welcome to the lamp's assembly guide video. Congratulations on your new lamp. It's going to look amazing once it's assembled. The set comes with 48 slats, an upper ring, and 2 lower ring halves. First, assemble the lower ring by sliding the joints together of the 2 halves. Then take one of the slats and slide it in the lower ring's opening that is closest to one of the lower ring's joints. Don't be afraid to apply pressure and push it in all the way. It should go in with a little snap. The same goes for the upper ring. Locate the opening on the slat and slide it in. Remember to apply pressure. Locate the second lower ring's opening, closest to the joint on the other side, and push in another slat. Now, connect the slat with the upper ring. Repeat the process and connect the remaining slats. You can also try holding the lamp sideways while assembling. That is it. You should have 3 leftover slats that we've included with the kit. If any questions arise about the assembly process, don't hesitate contacting us. We will be happy to help. You can also find a link to the instructional video for the lamp's cord kit assembly in the description below this video.